Welcome to Multiple Awnings. For your slim model awning, let's proceed together to an arm replacement. You'll need your remote control or hand crank, a 6mm Allen key, a Torx T20 screwdriver, some masking tape, and someone to assist you. Completely open the awning and unplug it. Warning: you'll need a helper to unfold the new arm. Be careful doing this maneuver in order to avoid bodily injuries or material damage. On the side of the arm to be changed, take the end cap off the front bar with the Torx T20 screwdriver. Mark the location of the claw with tape or a pencil. From this point on, ask your assistant to support the front bar. Loosen the screw that holds the claw to the front bar and slide it out. Caution: a third person may be needed to help support the arm. If you only have one helper, the front bar can be supported by a stepladder. On the casing, loosen the two front screws of the arm support. Slightly unscrew the side screw and pull out the rod that supports the arm. Make sure your helper is supporting the arm. Proceed to remove the claw from the old arm by taking out the screw with the 6mm Allen key. Install the claw on the new arm. With the help of your assistant, install the new arm to the arm support using the rod. Then, screw the two front screws of the arm support and tighten the side screw. At this point, ask your helper to support the front bar. Slide the claw in the front bar groove and fix it at the marked position. Make sure the screw is tight. Your assistant can now release the new arm. Reinstall the front bar and cap. It may be necessary to adjust the side screw of the arm support to ensure perfect alignment of the two elbows and correct closure. Finally, once the alignment of the elbows has been achieved, tighten the top front screw to secure everything. Plug in the motor and close the awning to check the alignment of the elbows. Caution: if the elbows are too low, immediately stop closing the awning, open it completely, and loosen the upper front screw. Redo the adjustment of the arm support's side screw. Repeat this step until the required elbow height is achieved. The replacement of the arm is now completed. Multiple Awnings wishes you a great summer.